Good morning everyone, my name is Abhilasha Kumari. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am going to ask question Nidhi.
Good morning everyone, my name is Nidhi Kumari and I am going to ask question to Abhilasha.
Why are you studying?
I study because education is very important in every person's life. And somebody wants to become something, they need a study. And anybody wants to become something, their life they have to study. After they will become something.
Somebody told me you are dancing and you are dancing very good. I saw your dance and I like your dance. So I think you should become dancer.
I don't want to become dancer. My hobby is dancing and I dance very well.
So thank you answering me.
What do you want to become?
I want to become good IAS
But why do you want to become IAS officer?
because I want to become IAS officer because my father and because my mother. You have any friend or any sister?
Yeah, I have many friends and only one sister. I have many friends and they always help me and I want to always with my friends, and when I go to somewhere I go to with my friends.
So what about your sister? You speak, I have only one sister.
Yeah, I have only one sister. Her name is Nitu and she is teaching very well.
Which subject?
My sister teaches English subject.
And in which institute is she teaching?
She is teaching in the Life Institute.
Life Institute.
Yeah.
In this institute, I am also learning, and you are also learning.
Yeah, I am also learning in the Life Institute.
I want to make friendship with you.
Okay.
Are you participant in Republic Day?
Yeah.
On which song?
This Rangila.
Okay.
So nice. I listen this song. This dance is very well, and this song is very well. Where will you dance?
I will dance in the Life Institute, and you will also there.
Oh, I will see your dance. Do you have any team in dancing?
Yeah, I have three.
Can you tell me name?
Yeah, I can tell you. Riddhi, Abhilasha, Isani, Suman, and do you want to dance?
Yes, I am also dance.
Oh my God, really?
Yes.
Would you like to dance with me?
Of course, because you are my friend now. Okay, Nidhi, I have some work. I should go right now.
To go with you because I have to go there.
Will you dance with me? Any songs?
Yeah.